Welcome back to March Madness. Today, single leg stretch with pelvic yawning. So just lying down on the floor, and you can just initially lengthen both legs down. Feel the contact points, heavy pelvis, shoulder blades down, soft shoulders. Bringing one foot up towards the knee of the other leg. Do it the other way around so you can see me better. And then reaching up towards the ceiling with that leg. Opening out as if you're yawning. And then bringing that back down again. Opening up. And you might want to just let the hands join in and the arms join in as you reach away. Might soften the jaw. You might even yawn with the mouth as well. And just letting that nice and easy, rolling over the hip. Weight going on to one side and then rolling back to the center. The head can go with it as well, making everything just soft and a nice big stretch out. So from the other side, you can see that you're just lifting there, rolling onto one side, reaching away, and just again let the whole head roll with you, soften the jaw. And do it as often as you like, just to soften down and feel nice and relaxed. That's a good relaxing one for me. Have a good day. See you later.